My name is Stephen Wayland III, and this is Cars and Coffee South Lake.
Holy shit. What's up, guys? We are heading out today to Cars and Coffee South Lake. I'm super stoked. We're taking the S2000. Gonna go meet up with some super cool people. You guys know how it is with the supercar owners. Most people don't want them in the rain, but we'll find out what happens. All right, we're in the car right now, heading out there. We're going to meet up with my buddy Chase Jansen, and we're gonna drive together because it's fun, but it's raining, which sucks. I know I told you guys that, but hopefully a lot of the cars are gonna show up. Grayson, bro, tell us where we're heading off to.
I don't really know where we're heading off to, honestly. I'm just here for the ride.
HG Supply South Lake.
I think the new HEB.
New HEB.
Yeah.
What are you thinking about Jansen's next ride?
Big GMC. I think it's a good truck. A lot bigger than what he's got now.
Yep. Here's what Jansen's got now.
Imperfection. See that?
Someone's vandalized it. What's his new ride called? The GMC what? Jansen can tell us.
What's up? What's
the
up?
new ride? The Denali Pro?
2024 GMC 2500 Denali Ultimate half-ton diesel 10-speed
Horsepower specs on that thing?
Allison. It's 475 horsepower, 975 pounds of torque. Thing can tow 26,000 pounds.
You can tow this building right off of the foundation. King has arrived. Check it out, it crashed 812 super fast. This is absolutely brutal. Anyone want to buy a Range Rover? Jansen selling his 45?
45K 2016 Range Rover Sport autobiography, 60K miles.
I heard he'll take 25,000 cash though, right?
Oh, we'll see.
Look at this full carbon Ford GT. Insane.
This thing's crazy.
Oh my God, full carbon. SV. Got the Aventador SV. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you to my buddy for letting me check it out. I love this thing, it's so sick. Straight pipe, tune.
Yeah, yeah.
He's got his eyes.
GTB and an SF90. Unreal. Mason, what's up, bro?
What's good, bro? How's
Good
it
to
going?
see you. You excited today?
Hell yeah.
You having
There's
fun?
some cool stuff out here, for sure.
You drive your Corvette?
No.
Why not?
It's running like shit. It's got an exhaust leak.
Oh man, come on. Put some
Dude,
duct tape on there.
I know. It's always got something, man. Freaking old cars.
C5?
Yeah.
LS1.
LS1. The OG.
Pro charge?
Nah, just cammed.
Hell yeah.
Hidden cams.
Good seeing you, bro.
Good to see you, bro. Yeah, we'll have to go out and drive.
I feel like your time is up.
This thing is absolutely wicked. Definitely custom built. Transmission right there in the middle of the car. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. Holy shit. Chiron Pierceport. Jansen's got that Greenwich license plate.
He does?
Yeah.
Hey, Connecticut, represent, baby.
Smooth little 5. All right, what do we think so far, gents? Absolutely fire.
Pretty freaking insane. I mean, the Bugatti when it rolled in was a showstopper. So
Chiron Pierceport. There's some badass rides here, though. Huracan STO, full carbon, Ford GT, SF90, 296 GTB, lots of stuff. STO. It's beautiful. Yeah?
My name is Stephen Wayland III, and this is Carson Coffee Southlake.
You are the legend that set all this up.
Yes, sir.
Great organizing.
Can't
we
do
got here? A little special appearance today.
Got a little first sport showing up.
Ooh,
Little bug action.
it's actually Steven's Pure Sport.
And then I wish. American dream.
Maybe one day.
One day.
Sell enough tickets to Cars and Coffee South.
Hey, if y'all show up and keep selling out these events, maybe I'll be able to get another one of these
Hell
for
yeah,
y'all.
bro. Well, thanks for having us.
Of course, thank you.